Lovebugs, welcome back. I know I have been MIA for the last 7 days. Well, not for you. I think you saw me on Saturday. Just had a lot going on. A lot of family stuff outside of my house, but all that is taken care of. And let's get back to it. Today I'm going to share my October Ipsy bag. I hadn't even looked at other people's spoilers, so I'm kind of excited to see what's in here. How are you doing? Ooh. That is so cute. You're magic. And on the other side, you have everything that's important. You are going to hear my washer going in the background. And probably some other little ruckus. Oh, I didn't even see the little moon and stars. Cute. Right off the bat, outside of the bag was a brush. This one is by I have to look at the card. Oh, here we go. It is a Queen blending brush. I love that handle. It just feels neat in your hand. Nice. I need to clean my brushes this weekend. That is on the agenda. I have so many other little projects that need to be done this weekend. So, your magic with a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand. This month, cast a spell on yourself. Whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap, let your intuition guide you to your goals. Learn all about this month's items at ipsy.com. This is the October 2020 bag. So, this brush is a Laura makeup brush, Makeup Labs. It's a Queen blending brush. It used to tell you what they retail for, but I don't see that on this one. All right, let's see what is next. This is Or is a Beauty. It is, let's see, Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. Nice. I will open it, hold on. All right, it is a quad palette. A lot of these colors I use, so that is nice. You guys know I love my Too Faced, my Naked palette, but no, it's not, I don't know what it is. I've used it for so long and I don't know what it is. My mind is not working. This is a Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It really is lightly scented, but it's fine. I already have my makeup on, but it's like a light butter yellow almost. Just want to see what it feels like on my skin. Oh, that's nice. Nice. Sometimes they're too oily or too wet, but that is a very good combination. Yes, I have to put my eyeballs on. That retails for $60. I'm sure the full size, not this size. It's a nourishing primer. It's enriched with hydrating vitamin E, vitamin B and C. And you use it to keep your makeup looking smooth, fresh, and gorgeous. Just like you. It doesn't say just like you, but I want to tell each of you you're very gorgeous. All right, let's see what else. Oh, strength and length. Fully grown lashes. Already have. This is a Bare Minerals eyelash mascara. I want to look at the brush. The mascaras that I'm using right now are actually, I think, last month. I tried last month and I think it was not waterproof. And I like a waterproof mascara because with my allergies and stuff, my eyes water. Shelby girl, you want some mascara on? I already don't know if I like that because do you see how loose and clumpy that is? I don't like that. It could be the brush. Let me see. That is the way the brush is made. But it still tends to bring on a lot of product. We'll try it tomorrow and see. I would put it on, but I already have some. I'm fixing to get out the door. And the last product is a Tarte tinted hydrator in light sand. Lightweight and easy to blend. The buildable formula melts seamlessly into your skin for a no fuss application. Perfect for busy mornings. So this could also be used as your foundation. I this time have gone back to I've gone back to CoverGirl for foundation just because I didn't want to go into Ulta and I didn't have time to order the Too Faced that I was using. It is what it is. I don't mind using drugstore products sometimes, so whatever. That is all of the goodies from this month's bag. I'm glad I got to share it with you. You guys, thank you for hanging in there with me. I really want to sit down and have a good lengthy coffee chat with you, and kind of maybe explain a little bit of where I've been and what's been going on. We'll see. Maybe we can do that today. I'll film that today at lunch. I don't know. I've been using my lunchtime to do some plotting and planning for NaNoWriMo. So I'm almost there. I have the book outlined. Each chapter broke down. I just need to go in and do some final little details, some fluff characters, and I need to flesh out the main characters just a little bit better, and that's about it. So it's kind of good because we only have a week until a little over a week until NaNoWriMo starts, so that's nice. It'll be fun. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.